Why are you using the wrong microphone? How about that? Good grief. My audio... My music is a little loud, I think. Let's turn that down. Yeah, for some reason, OBS has changed to a different microphone. But now it's back onto the correct microphone. I can see the soundbar spiking, so hopefully... There's always audio problems, every time. I mean, maybe it just has to be audio problems, because if it's not audio problems, it'll be some other problem. At least audio problems are easier to fix. Yay! Right. As I was saying, and that none of you heard because OBS. You know, there was a streamer a little while ago who actually worked out what OBS stands for. Because apparently, allegedly, it's Open Broadcast Software, but we all know that's not correct. It is, of course, more accurately, bullshit. Yeah, OBS. Right. Anyway, let's seal up the back of our carriage, because it's kind of a bit open at the moment. I do want to plug up all of the windows, but what I want to do with that is greeble and detail the outside, and then pull once and block off the inside in one go. Shoo. Just the quietest piece of music. As soon as I say I'm going to turn the music down, it all goes quiet. Let's project and include everything on that. I would like a second sketch that is, how big of a nose do we want this? Not too much. Yeah, it's probably about right. Because I can use the loft tool to create a three-dimensional shape between two opposing three-dimensional shape, kind of like a cone. So if I take the inside edge of all of this now, I can make a smaller version of the profile of the carriage. Is that a complete shape? It's not showing me that it's a complete shape. Where's the gap? Where's the gap? There's no gap. You lied to me. Ah, good. But then if I offset all of this, I can make a smaller version of it and then loft between it and have a kind of a cone. Not really a cone. 2mm wall thickness, I think, is what we're going with. So let's have a look at that. Yeah, there we go. So if I then loft from the smaller one to the larger one, what we should get is a yes. I guess. Let's run some fillets, because fillets make everything look better. And boom. try a... I don't remember what the fillets, my original fillets were. They're definitely bigger than 2 mil. Oh, no, it doesn't like a 4 mil. Okay, we can go up to 3. Yeah, that's... Technically, that is exactly what I wanted. Aesthetically, it's just a bit weird. I put a door on this, or not necessarily a door. I guess put some greebly somethings, just so that we can have some detail. Because once it's got stuff on it, yeah. Once it's just got stuff on it, it kind of ties it together a little bit better. Even if it's just some random shapes that I came up with off the top of my head. Let's do some wiring, shall we? Nope. Oh, oh. That's not behaving how I was expecting it to behave. Exit stage right. Hello, Molten Minis. How are you doing? I think I'm just gonna cheat and block that in with a straight line. Let's go for a... Let's just start off of that and run to there. I am alive, I guess. That's my... That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I want to curve off of this. Yes. Yes, I guess. Let's go for another, and then I've been ever so slowly trickling up to 1,000. What am I now? 920. It's 9. I think it must be about 930 by now. As soon as I get to 1,000, I get to use that community tab, which is realistically the only reason why I want. All right, see you later. Thanks for popping by. The community tab's the one reason I actually want 1,000 subscribers. I don't actually care about much of the rest of it. That's one. Let's go that way. And throw in a curve. There. Yes, yes. That's all looking very... Oh, that's not... Ah. Yes, it's not joined up here. Oh, done. There we go. Yeah, it's thousands. There's quite a lot of stuff locked away behind 1,000 subscribers, and some of it is just like unnecessarily locked away. It's like, what? Why is like? So I can't think of any examples, but there's a bunch of features that's like, why is this locked behind 1,000 subscribers? What's the point? But yes, once I get the community tab, I get to just post bullshit constantly. Questionnaires and rubbish like that. That'll do it. I'll do it. Let's select all of this crazy snake stuff that I've oh no! Oh no! Oh, it... Okay, fine, whatever. Let's pull that by a 0.5 and see what we get. We get that. Some kind of modern art installation on a window kind of thing. So to actually make these into wires, they obviously need to be at least somewhat round. And I realised doing this all at once is probably really dangerous. And so, let's have a quick cheeky save before I break this. Yeah, it didn't like that. It didn't like that at all. Nope, it doesn't like any of that. Okay. Okay. Let's go for one segment at a time. That works. What is this? What is this? I mean, obviously that wasn't helping. I don't suspect that is the issue, but it might be. So it is in fact this area here. Let's try these one at a time. Yeah, it doesn't like that at all. It might be that corner still. Let's get some of the rest of this. See if any of these other shapes can be rounded. Hey, let's let it be. It's yeah, it's not happy at all. I guess using the spline and then oh no, it's pulling away from that. That's not what I want. Can I even select these three? Go on. Look. Ugh. Ugh. Well, thanks for popping by, and I'll see you on Discord whenever it is. I'm going to give up on trying to turn this into round wiring sections. There is another tool. Is it the silhouettes? It's not, is it? I don't remember. I haven't actually used it. There is another tool that kind of does what I wanted, what I'm after, but I don't remember exactly which one it is. So I'm going to leave that alone. Let's make a button panel. That's 0.5 mil thick. So actually, when that prints, even on a resin printer, that's not going to print with a great amount of detail. It's probably fine. Let's get rid of that one. That one. I think they've gone. There is no way to appease the algorithm. Or what do you say? Buttons can make a rectangular pattern off of that. It's not really a button panel. Actually, no, if I make it 3 by 4. What will this be? 2. Making that 3 mil and this -4. There you go, button panel. It is what it is. It sucks, is what it is. Let's go for a switch block in the middle for some switches. And then pull that and that down by -0.5. Bring back the sketch. I didn't dismiss you. And then that can go up by 0.5. And we get greebly. Now you are dismissed. There you go, greebly, control panel-y thingy sort of stuff. For a series of random shapes, that makes all the difference in the world. Let's go for some paneling as well, because that's also ridiculously easy. And then one here, like this. Do I need to do riveting as well? Given that this is a riveting live stream, probably should do some rivets. No. Let's not do rivets. Because rivets are boring. Let's have a control panel of some description here as well. Let's also do a parody of the, well, not parody so much as a continuation of the aesthetic with another little Gothic archway. This time, yep, this time we'll have a control panel. Two sides, so this way, that's fine, this way, actually no, look separately. It's going to poke out on the inside, isn't it? Yeah, I'll deal with that. Yep, and then give me back my sketch. Go by. Actually, I also need to fill in this, don't I? Let me just add it to this. Yeah. Now I can pull a block. There we go. Little window. And in here, let's do some of the same kind of stuff. Just some random doodly detaily stuff. Nah. They're not. Why do you... So many programs do that. My video editing program also does the same thing. And just whenever you select something, it's like, oh, you wanted to be over here, somewhere where you weren't working. Like, no, I don't want to be over there. I want to be exactly where I've put my camera view, because that's why I put my camera view there. Can I deselect that? Yes, good. What? Why is my pivot moved over there? Good grief. Just to make things difficult. Let's cut. Join. Can you... Why is this one not real anymore? Oh, it's fallen off of the end of that. There we go. Little birdcage prison bars thing. I'm not sure where that came from, but I mean, it's there now. Stuck with it. Let's have another go at a wire, just because I'm not convinced that it won't let me. Just have to use the right type of option. So if I go for a straight line, this should allow me to make, yes. See, this is what I was hoping to be able to do with the complex curves, but alas, that was not happy with it. Project and include that curve. Does it give me the center point? Give me the center point of this. Nope, nope, you're being mean. Okay. Are you giving me anything? I pulled this into this. Yes. Exist. There we go. Trying to burn wires out there. Why would you be a cut? Well, that's not what I had in mind, but okay. Yeah, that's the thing. Right, so let's go for a lamp. Some kind of a bulb sort of thing. Let's go for a slot. Bring that in by... Doesn't need much, just needs a little bit of a lip. Yeah, half a mil will do. Now this then... If I pull it by 1.5 and then I can pull... I can then fill it this by 0.75. Yes. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Why I was thinking that, I may never know, but that is in fact what I was thinking. No, not an offset plane. I want a angle plane from. Why would you make me put stupid lines in stupid places just so that I can rotate stuff around it? Plane and angle, rotate off of that 90 degrees. And then sketch there. Ooh, yep, okay. Let's give it a quick save because it's starting to struggle. Let's project in all of that and offset that. Can you seriously? Seriously? Give me. Give. I want that line. Fine, I'll freaking draw it myself. Good grief. Hello. Welcome to me struggling to remember how to actually use this program because it's been ages. Too long. Is that is the one I wanted. What? Seriously? 3-point arc. 1, 2, 3. Why are you going the other? Oh, it wants the end points first. There we go. Okay. That makes everything a whole much easier, and then I can just draw a straight line between them and them. Right, that was unnecessarily aggravating. Hold on, I need to expand this by a bit. Are you a shape? No, you are not. Let's pull there. There, now you are a shape. This I can pull in symmetrical both directions. A total of 0.5. Yes. And then magic fillets. What? What? Seriously? You just deselected everything that I just selected just so you can select 2 random ones for no reason? No, that's not right. 0.25. And the other side. There we go. That'll do. Now we have to go through that whole annoying process again to do some side pieces. So if I plane an angle around this, oh, just that is actually correct. Let's see how much of this I can pull and make exist. You see, why didn't it let me do that the first time round? Because of course it didn't. Oop. And that. 0.5, yes. Then I need to fill the bottom to make it a two-dimensional shape. And pull by... I can't remember what the numbers were. I did it like 10 seconds ago and I still can't. What? So for some reason it doesn't like this. Why not? Oh, right. That needs to be 0.5. Yes, that's right. And then this can be also 0.25. And then is this all coming in as separate? What? Oh, all of this is separate. I'm not sure I'm worried about that because that looked awful. Alright, I need to finish off this. Construct, clone an angle off of this, which puts the angle at the right place. Sketch on that. And then I project and include the outside of this. New. Yes. Can I? Nope. Nope. It doesn't like me doing that. Okay. I've forgotten so much. Can you let me? Thank you. So that's 0.25, yes, and then I join it to make it a 2D shape, finish the sketch, pull it by 0.5 mil, not 1/4 mil, as a new body. Cool, it really doesn't like something about this. It doesn't like this light bulb. What a shame. What a shame. And then do that again, 0.25. And then we join. Oh, join. Nope. It's why does it hate everything? Why is it being so fussy? I've done essentially the same thing 3 times and it's not been able to attach it any of those 3 times. even though it really should be able to. Can I move in line with... no. Not without setting up the geometry for that. Clear overlap. So it doesn't think that they overlap. Did I? Did I leave a gap in here? No. Nope, no gap. It's just not happy with it. Oh well. That's annoying. That is something I'm going to have to look up. I do not know the answer. So let's go for some other greeble-y thing. What other details would be, I guess just a hatch. Nice simple one. There you go. Instant hatch. The easiest thing to make. It wouldn't be complete without some kind of buttressing. Probably come up with an offset plane off of... Can I literally select the offset plane from that? Yes. About there. So project and include that. Can I pattern that? I guess the answer to that is no, I can't. Well, in that case, I'll just copy it through, project it, sketch on that, stop moving when I don't want you to. I genuinely would rather it just never move, because like whenever you go into a new sketch or in the 3D edit, in the video editing software, it just randomly will move when I have not asked it to, when I'm pulling some new piece in. It's like I want it to be exactly where I was, not where you are putting me. Symmetric, hold distance. That's starting to look like a coherent thing. I mean, from this angle, it looks like it's fallen out of a 1970s science fiction, just with odd greebly details on the outside, which kind of works. What are we at? 50 minutes. Nearly an hour. I was tired when I started. Oh, why would you join? Yes. Yeah, so it's this stuff that I'm not interested in. Go away, go away. That should have been a cut. Cut, yes. But yeah, well, this stuff that I'm not interested in, really, I can probably delete that and do something different with. The one thing I was really annoyed about was this, my little light fixture, and it not wanting to connect to join components. We of course have the other side to do. I will do a little bit of work to this side as well, and then I will call the stream done. So if anyone has any questions, comments, heckling, now's the time. Did it just... Why are you defaulting to new body for everything? Like, that's annoying. Yeah, so any comments, questions about what I'm doing, questions about why I'm bad at this. I just need to get back into the practice, which is of course why I'm doing these streams in the first place. No. Yes, yes I can. Odd. Odd. Easy hatch. Easy hatch goes here. What? What? I had that select. Oh, you're not letting me do it because it has a... Oh. That's annoying. Oh well. Easy hatch goes here then. Let's go for a square control box when it unfreezes. There we go. Rectangular pattern on that. Let's go 3 by 4 again. Spacing looks about right, and a control kind of, sure, that's a simple detail. Should probably check the scale on that. Well, given that this window is basically full height for a person, that control panel is probably about right. This one's probably a little bit big, but that's fine as well. Let's just break this up with some paneling. -0.25. Yeah, just unnecessary lines make everything look more interesting. Let's go for another let's go for a round light bulb shape, see if I can manage that on account of the other one failing miserably. This can be... Which order do I want to do it in? No, I want to do the... do the bars first and see if that actually makes a difference. So this is going to be an 8mm diameter ball, and the inside is going to be a 7mm diameter ball. Yes. Which means I should be able to. These are rounded, they're not going to fill it well, are they? Huh. They actually fill it perfectly. Amazing. Alright, now if I bring back that sketch and pull. Oh, what? No, that whole circle with. Yes. So, 7mm circle this time, so half of that is 3.5. And I need to make this as a new body. Yes. And then fill at the top by 3.5. Yes. And then join that. Excellent. Good. That worked. Round light bulb doesn't look as good, but it works, and therefore it's better. Let's have, just before I end, let's have one more little Gothic arch control panel. No, I don't want that, do I? Okay, sketch on here. Pull that in by turn the sound up on this, because that's just cool. These uneven. Don't want to have too much repeating pattern. Makes a change that you like the music I like, but I'll take it. This is one of Dan Hennig's pieces, and he's put a lot of stuff on the YouTube approved free to use music library, so I have used quite a bit. There you go, that looks unnecessary. Well, that is a lot of progress. A lot of imprecise guesswork and throwing stuff back and forth rather than precision stuff. And I've only done one end. I've done the, I guess this is the back end. I need to do the front end, and you'll notice that there's no door on this, so I need to probably extend this out a bit, put a door here, and then a front section as well. But with that, I think I shall call the stream. I'm going to quickly save, and end the stream. So I'm ED-SKaR. There should be some stuff in the description. If there is not, there is many other videos on my channel. Thank you all for popping by and watching me struggle trying to remember what on earth I'm doing. And hopefully I may eventually, after a few 100,000 years, I might actually get this thing finished. But for now, I'm ED-SKaR, always will be, and thank you very much for watching.